Ola Electric expands 4680 Bharat Cell platform across mobility, energy and advanced applications at Prarambh 2026. Ola Electric's share price showed heightened activity following the Prarambh 2026 announcements, reflecting market interest in the company's broader positioning as an integrated energy platform rather than a pure-play electric vehicle manufacturer. Short-term movement appears driven by strategic optionality and scale ambitions rather than immediate volume changes. At the center of the announcement is the expansion of the 4680 Bharat Cell platform beyond scooters and motorcycles. Ola Electric has now opened direct sales of its 4680 Bharat cells and 1.5 kWh battery packs to businesses and startups, enabling applications across electric mobility, drones, humanoids, and portable medical equipment. This marks a shift from a captive use model to a platform-led energy ecosystem. The company also opened purchases for Ola Shakti, its residential battery energy storage system designed and manufactured domestically using the same 4680 Bharat cells. Ola Shakti is positioned as a portable, on-demand energy solution for homes, farms, and small businesses, supporting essential appliances and equipment with fast charging and short-duration backup capability. Deliveries form another key part of the update. Ola Electric has begun deliveries of the Roadster X Jode with a 9.1 kWh battery pack, offering a claimed range of up to 500 km on a single charge. At the same time, the company has scaled up pan-India deliveries of the S1 Pro Jode 5.2 kWh, indicating a broader rollout of its next-generation battery architecture across its two-wheeler portfolio. From a business and strategy perspective, Ola Electric is consolidating its vertically integrated approach. One cell architecture now underpins scooters, motorcycles, residential energy storage, and external enterprise applications. This creates manufacturing scale, cost optimization potential, and faster product development cycles across categories. The move to supply cells and battery packs directly to startups and enterprises could open up a new revenue stream beyond vehicle sales. It also positions Ola as a domestic alternative in a space where energy storage and advanced battery access has traditionally depended on imports. Within the sector, this announcement places Ola Electric at the intersection of electric mobility and distributed energy storage. While most EV manufacturers remain focused on vehicle volumes, Ola is attempting to build a broader energy platform spanning transport, residential backup, and emerging technology use cases. Risks remain around execution, cost competitiveness, and the ability to maintain consistent performance across diverse applications using a single cell platform. Adoption of residential energy storage and enterprise battery solutions will also depend on pricing, reliability, and after-sales support. Looking ahead, key catalysts include sustained delivery momentum for S1 Pro Jode and Roadster X Jode, ramp-up of Ola Shakti deployments, and early traction from enterprise and startup customers using the 4680 Bharat Cell platform. Progress on manufacturing scale and cost control will be closely watched. The investor takeaway is that Ola Electric is positioning itself as a long-term energy platform company rather than only an EV brand. The expansion of the 4680 Bharat Cell across mobility, energy storage, and external applications enhances strategic optionality, but consistent execution will be critical to convert this vision into durable financial outcomes.